My lips are like, feels great. I'm Gabbriette, and this is my MAC Sephora lip combo. It's really cute, and it's really new, and it's fun, and I'm excited to show you. Okay. I'm gonna go in with Greige. This is the cool liner that I have been using recently. I go in. So I don't want a very solid line. I think it looks better when it's messy. And then I'm using the color Fleshpot. It's like a very peachy, concealer-y nude. And I do this in the center, straight onto the lip. Because you smudged out your lip liner, you should be able to bring this just right to the top of your lip, and it makes your lips like very pouty. Delicious. And to finish off this combo, we're gonna make it a trio. We're gonna use the Lipglass Air. Oh. Wow. So if you want this lip combo, it is the Greige lip liner, Fleshpot, and Accolade in this gorgeous gloss.